My name is Ernesto. I'm 31 years old, and I basically wanted to get dental implants because I wanted a beautiful, confident smile. Having issues with my teeth, it really affected my confidence as far as like meeting people, especially new people. I kind of would do this thing where I would like try to, be conscious of how to hide my smile. The doctor stated to me how he was going to use Yomi to just kind of be less invasive, faster recovery rate, and just being even more accurate. So when they told me that he was gonna be using a robot, I was like, cool, yeah, let's do it.
Be open there?
The fact that they stated to me that we can confidently do this in one day. I think at first I was kind of under the impression that they're gonna remove my teeth and then I'm gonna be toothless for a while. But no, that was not the case. Once they started the procedure and I fell asleep, when I woke up, I was like, oh wow, this is it? Personally for me, I had no blood whatsoever when I would clean out my mouth with salt water. I would take my medication, and I would say by even the 4th or 5th day, I stopped taking my prescribed medication and just took regular ibuprofen. But even then, I only took 2 days off of work. And that following Monday, I was back at it. I definitely know Yomi had a part to play in that. I think it definitely helped with my recovery, speedy recovery. Virtually no pain. Definitely feel more confident in the way I kind of just carry myself, whether that be interacting with people, with strangers, friends. I definitely smile more. Come on.
Good boy.
No, I'm still me.
Good boy.
But I definitely feel like a newer, better version of myself.
Good boy.